Welcome to Seven Trumpets Prepper. Guys, I want to share with you the information that many people have been asking here in the recent month because we're drawing very close to the conference. We're about 3 weeks out, I believe, at this point that I'm making this video. This is the deal. The information I'm about to share, as you can see on the screen right there, shout out to Elder William Brown for helping me get that put together on the flyer there. The conference is going to be a 3-day event, but the one day on the 14th prior to the conference itself, it will be a baptism service held at Greenbrier, and that's in the National Park up here in the Smoky Mountains in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. The information, if you look at the screen cap right there over on soundingtheloudcry.com, you click on the conference tab, you can see right there below that all the information's there for the sign up for the baptism and etc. Now, the address, I'm going to post this up because now, as I don't support eating pork or anything unclean like that, there is actually a barbecue place that is located right across from the park entrance for those that's interested in the baptism that's already signed up also. That address is directly across from the road that enters the access point into Greenbrier. And when you turn in right there, you'll see there's a parking area. There's some gravel parking areas, and you can park in the first or second one right there and walk down to the river there, the stream, and we'll be there that day at the designated time, and all the information's on the website there. Now, as far as the 15th and 16th, the full lineup of speakers is in the information there below in the video description. I'm going to try to have that up in about a week on the website, the updated full lineup, so that everybody has that as well. But like I said, it's in the video description below. Now, due to the corona situation, what the conference center has been so kind and gracious to us is, since we paid for the venue so long ago, what happened is they gave us an additional ballroom to open up the space. And then I just got informed the day I'm making this video right now that they gave us an additional venue space. So we have a huge venue now. So that although the seats will be spaced 6 feet apart and all that stuff, you still have plenty of area to move about. Can come and go as you please. And you know, I really appreciate the venue doing that for us. But the 15th, the timetables for the 15th and the 16th, that morning beginning, you can see right there in the video description below when we'll start in the mornings and etc. The only thing that I would point out to everyone as far as that goes is I would encourage everyone to be there about 30 to 40 minutes early in the mornings. That way, as soon as the doors open up, we'll start letting people in early to the convention center if you so desire to come on in early and fellowship and network and etc. Please note that parking for the event, if you're not staying at one of the hotels that's on the recommended list there that's nearby, if you're parking, there's about 2 to 3 different parking areas that's either directly across from where the area is at the convention center or to the side. Now, if you're approaching the convention center coming up the main strip, you'll turn left, and once you turn left there at the red light at the crossing area right there at the corner of the conference center, you'll see as you come up on it, once you go up the side of the hill there's the multiple parking areas that I'm speaking of. And also during the lunch breaks during the next 2 days, that the conference will be going on August 15th and 16th. During those lunch breaks, you can either just promptly walk right down into the town there, and there's food areas all around, or if you want to, you're more than welcome to just go right out into the forest. It's about a 5-minute walk from the conference center, if less, and you can go out there and sit down, have a picnic, relax, have a great time. Ladies and gentlemen, all we ask as far as those that are attending is just make sure to wear modest attire. And, if you want, by all means, dress casual. We just ask that people be respectable. The tickets there's plenty of free tickets still available at the information on the conference tab there. You can get your tickets through Eventbrite. Someone will be there at the mornings to help seat people. The seating will be marked off, and I think that's pretty much got all the information. If anybody is lost, has Any question as to what they need to know ahead of time, please email me at the number 7 trumpetsprepper@gmail.com. I'll be glad to answer any questions for you. You can also jump over to soundingtheloudcry.com, shoot an email to the ministry. We'll do everything we can to answer your questions and help you get prepared for this wonderful event coming up. We're so grateful to the Gatlinburg Convention Center for allowing us this opportunity. I'm thankful to the Most High Yah that this opportunity has been able to be presented to the people. The speakers are going to come from far and wide to speak, and that we are actually, have the funding to do this. So, guys, make sure if you haven't got tickets, make sure to get them over at soundingloudcry.com through the Eventbrite link. And as always, till we see you again here at 7 Trumpets Prepper Channel, love y'all. Hope the Most High Yah Baruch you and keep you, make his face shine upon you, show you favor, and give you shalom, my friends. In Yahushua.